Hi everyone and welcome back. If you're new here, hi, I'm Alina, and in today's video I'm going to create this glowing no makeup look. I am starting with the moisturizer because it is super important as it makes your skin nice and glowing and well hydrated. Here I am using the Pond's Super Gel Light Moisturizer. This moisturizer is so good, like it just hydrates my skin like really well and add a bit of glow. Next, I'm going in with the lip balm because your lips need some hydration too. And here I'm using the Lotus Lip Lush Lip Balm. And guys, I haven't done my brows, so don't do your brows. For concealing those dark under eye circles, I am using the LA Girl Pro HD in medium beige. And guys, make sure to use a concealer that matches your skin color or foundation, and that should not be too light, not too dark. And here I'm using my fingers to just blend in the concealer. You can even use a beauty blender for a natural look. To set the concealer, here I am using a compact powder from Faces Canada and lightly dusting in at where I put the concealer so that my concealer won't crease. To seal the deal, I am spritzing some setting spray onto my face. To add some flush of color on my cheeks, I am using this Etude House Dear Darlington, and this tint is my absolute favorite. It is so good, like it is affordable, plus it is very pigmented. Using the same tint on my lips and just blending it with a finger. For mascara, using my holy grail Maybelline Total Temptation, and this mascara is my absolute favorite. This is the non-waterproof variant. You can even use a waterproof variant if you want to. For some glow, using this liquid highlighter from Maybelline, make sure to use a liquid highlighter as it blends seamlessly and add a very natural glow to your face. I would totally not recommend you guys to use a powdered highlighter because they are they just sit on your cheeks and give not a very natural look. So try to use a liquid highlighter. What a wonderful